Hi friends, welcome once again. I hope all of you are fine. And today, based on memory, we are going to discuss first mass transfer drawing question of 2 marks. The given data, the given data in the question, total drawing time, the total drawing was given, that is theta t total time 5 hours. Then rate of constant drawing, that is given NC, that is 2 kg per meter square per hour. Initial moisture content, value, that is x1 0.35, and all these moisture content are given on dry basis. It means kg of moisture per kg dry solid, per kg dry solid, per kg dry solid. Critical moisture content value, critical moisture content value, that is xc, that is given by 0.20 kg of moisture content divided by per kg of dry solid, per kg dry solid. Here I write two times dry. Next one is final moisture content, final moisture content, that is x2 is equal to 0.10 kg of moisture per kg dry solid. Equilibrium moisture content is negligible. The value of the equilibrium moisture content, that is x star, that is equal to 0 according to the problem as you told me. Now we need to calculate the value of, we need to calculate, we need to calculate the value of Ws by A. We need to calculate this value. Kg in kg per meter square, in kg per meter square to the nearest integer, to the nearest integer. As you already know, most of students are from our classroom students, so they know that this question is directly from our classroom. I told a shortcut to solve such kind of question, and you will get very easily 2 marks question. Now first, we know that the graph is between, suppose we have this one, just a rough diagram, rate versus moisture content. Drawing is started from here x1 to xc, and here we have any x2 value. Is it clear? We have the value of x1 is 0.35, the value of xc, and this value is nc, this value is nc, the value of xc 0.20, the value of x2 is equal to 0.10, and all these are given based on dry basis. Is it clear? So we need to calculate the total time. I already told you, if the value of x1 greater than xc, if the value of x1 greater than xc, then total time period will be given as the sum of constant drying period plus falling rate period. From this point to this point, we have constant rate period, and from this to this one, falling rate period, and it is linear. So we have directly formula. So in question, it is given that theta t is equal to 5 hours. The value of theta c is equal to ws by ANC for constant one from x1 to xc. When the value of x1 greater than xc, then the value of theta final is equal to ws by ANC xc minus x star ln xc minus x star. In class, we solved a number of problems based on this concept x2 minus x star. Add both equations. So theta total is equal to theta c plus theta f. So theta total is equal to ws by ANC x1 minus xc plus ws by ANC xc minus x star ln xc minus x star divided by x2 minus x star. Now we can take common. Theta t is equal to ws by ANC, and we will get x minus xc plus xc minus x star ln xc minus x star divided by x2 minus x star. Put all these values in the given equation. Theta t is equal to, it is ws by a. The value of nc is, that is 2. The value of x1 0.35. The value of xc 0.20 plus the value of xc is 0.20 minus 0 ln 0.20 minus 0 divided by 0.10 minus 0. Total time is 5 hours. 5 into 2 is equal to ws by a. Solve it. It is 0.15 plus 0.20 ln 0.20 divided by ln 0.10. Tan is equal to ws by a 0.15 into 0.20 ln 2. We know that the value of ln 2 is, put the value of ln 2. Once you will put the value of ln 2, then 0.20. The value of ln 2 is 0.6931. So once we will solve it, we will get the value. Tan is equal to ws by a 0.15 plus 0.1386. Tan is equal to ws by a into 0.2886. One equation, one variable, ws by a, that is equal to 10 by 0.2886, and we will get 34.65 kg per meter square, and the nearest integer is 35. So this was very simple question and directly from the conceptual and formula based. If you know this formula, then this question is very easy for you, and if you don't know, then it is difficult for you. So if you want, I hope you enjoyed the solution of this question also. If you want the solution of other questions, so please send all the questions on this WhatsApp number 8929 223452 at Engineers Ranger Point, Bhopal. Or you can give all these questions in comment box also. I will take from here and then we will provide the solution. Is it clear? Thank you very much. Bye. Take care.